Good morning, guys, and Happy New Year. Today I want to share with you the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit that I made for my family on Christmas. I had a request from Miss Luxury Tax 305 on Instagram, and she said, OMG, did you record that? And I was like, I didn't record it, but I will do a video on it. So today is New Year's Day, and I'm going to make this for the family. It is actually 12 o'clock. And we're going to go to my mother-in-law's house. But I'm going to go ahead and fill their bellies with something because I know that they're going to want something, especially JJ, as soon as he gets in the car because he doesn't think about it because he's trying to play that video game. Get started with this. So late last night, I made the black eyed peas, the collard greens, and some wings for the family. So they were buffalo wings. So to cool their mouth down, they went ahead and opened this, and they were only supposed to have one row, and they had an extra row. It's a row of 4, so 12. So what you need for this, so they didn't realize that they were jipping themselves. I don't know who came back and ate some more. Probably Cottrell or Jason. But they jipped themselves of biscuits by doing that. But anyway, really all you need for this recipe is just the 1 pack of Hawaiian rolls. And I've been getting the Sam's Choice just because it's cheaper. But you may want to get the original or the Aldi brand. Every time I think about making this, I don't go to Aldi. So the sweet Hawaiian rolls, and I get these because they're cheaper, but they are a little bit more sturdier, and thicker than the regular Hawaiian rolls, and so with that syrup and butter, it won't saturate it as much. You need some butter. You need some you really only need 1 roll of sausage, but I have 2 because I have 1 whole thing and a half. Really, I had 2. And then you need some eggs. You need 9 eggs. And then you'll need some sharp cheddar cheese, or either, I think it was mild, and I had sharp, and some pepper jack cheese, and some syrup. I have regular syrup because I was too cheap to buy the maple syrup, because that's usually what, $6-7. And that's all you need. You may want some salt and pepper to season your eggs, and add some milk to it to make it fluffy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pad this up and make them flat as possible, because last time I didn't make them flat enough. The patties in a pan and fry that up. Now you're going to take your sausage and you're going to put it over here on a paper towel. I'm trying to make sure this is not near the eye. I'm getting ready to move it. It looks closer in the camera than it is in person. And then, so it can drain some of the fat off. And then I'm going to put, oh, my camera's crooked. I'm going to put the rest of that sausage in there. And I picked up one original Great Value sausage for Christmas. We had, I think it was Jimmy John's, I'm not sure. Is it Jimmy John's sausage? Because that's all they had. And all they had was either Jimmy Dean, ain't no Jimmy John's. Jones sausage, I believe that's what it's called. And then Jimmy Dean, they had that yesterday, and Christmas, but I didn't want to pay that much for the sausage, because usually I get my sausage for like $1 or something at Walmart. Not Walmart. $1 something at Aldi. Sorry, Saya was coming over here and it threw me off. So I'm not about paying a whole lot for no sausage, especially for something that I know the price by heart, how much it is at another store. But I don't know if I ever said. So I got one mild sausage and then one original. But I don't know, guys. I know the difference in hot and original, but what's the difference in the mild and the original? Let me know down in the comments, because I don't know. I probably can Google it. I'm not sure. Okay guys, so now I've cleaned out my pan that was cooking the sausage. I love this pan. Okay, so now my skillet is getting warm. It's actually probably getting too warm because it's starting to, the spray I put in is starting to get brown. So let me go ahead and put my eggs in my pan, and these are 14 eggs. The recipe for 12 Hawaiian rolls or 12 rolls sausage biscuits is a total of 9 eggs, but because I have some extra over here, extra over here of 6, I did half. So 9 eggs and half of 9, and then like 4. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this up, and then I'm gonna add the sausage to the biscuits and show you guys. And in the eggs, I put salt and pepper and a little bit, maybe about a 1/3 cup of 2% reduced fat-free milk. You can use almond milk if you want. I haven't done that, but you can do that if you want. And what else? And a little bit of Himalayan salt. And I like the Himalayan salt because I just like the flavor of it, and I just put a little bit, and then you don't have to add anything else. If you got high blood pressure, you might want to watch it, especially with the sausage. So what did you guys do for New Year's? We just stayed home. I know growing up we always went to watch night service at church, but we stayed home and everybody came downstairs with the countdown. I was listening to TD Jakes on the phone because he always has his live watch night service online, and then I couldn't hear it because everybody was talking and stuff like that. And then we ate. It was late, but we ate our black eyed peas and collard greens just because that's what I had. And with my mother-in-law, she says to have it on the stove coming in the new year, and then I guess you just eat it that day. But we just went ahead and ate ours because we were gonna go out of town. Not out of town, but well, out of town. We're gonna go to her house today. So that's what we did. And then I went back upstairs and I just felt like I needed something. So what I did was I went back and listened to the replay or his sermon, and it really blessed my soul. It really did. I woke up and you know how you got that new feeling when you are in love. You just found out you're in love. Not saying I'm not in love, but when it's that new love, and you know that feeling, that indescribable feeling, or when it's your favorite season. I know I used to feel like that in springtime. And then what else? But mainly in love. And then also, let's see, when you got a big day, something's big that day, that feeling, which I haven't had in a while. And then what else? It's on the tip of my tongue. When you have a brand new baby, when you have a brand new baby, especially your first baby, but just when you have a brand new baby, guys, that feeling of something brand new, like it's Christmas, that's just a beautiful feeling. And you can't wait to get them from the nursery. Though my last two stayed with me, but because I was a single mom with Cottrell, he had to go in the nursery because I wasn't able to watch him the whole entire time. I didn't want to be sleeping, somebody coming in and get my baby. But yeah, that great feeling. I had that wonderful feeling. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so now you're gonna take your eggs, and it doesn't have to be on here perfect. Your scrambled eggs, and I'll tell you don't want to stay on there today at all. So now, after I have my scrambled eggs on there, I'm going to take my cheese, and it doesn't matter which one first. Of course it don't matter. And I guess if you want, you can do turkey sausage. I do like turkey sausage. I don't care for turkey bacon, but I do like turkey sausage. And then you can use low-fat cheese. So I could have did that, because what I'm drinking, guys, you can't even see over here. I'm finished now. Atkins Plus protein, and I'm drinking this now. Premier used to be my favorite. But they had some kind of lawsuit about saying that they had so much protein in their drinks, and they didn't. So that's what I'm having to start out the new year. I'll have one of these, and I'll be good with one. I'll let them have it. Now guys, you're going to take your butter and you're going to melt it. And it's a half a cup of, is it half a cup? A half a cup of butter, which is 8 sticks. And I'm going to try to make this cover these 12 rolls and the ones over here. Because I did have a lot last time. Because it does spread when you add the syrup. And then you're going to put 1/4 cup of syrup in there and put it in the microwave. So there's my butter, there's my syrup, guys, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for, I'm gonna start with 30 seconds, see what it looks like, and then another 30 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, now my mixture of the butter and the syrup is out of the microwave, and I did add just a little bit, a couple of squirts of more syrup because I have more rolls than I did the first time. Oh, so what you can do is you can just take your brush and you can cover them like that, or you can go ahead and just pour it. But what I did was I kind of got them moist a little bit. Sorry, I was thinking. My mind was gone. I didn't have enough for one of them, so it's just like a cheese and egg biscuit. Okay, now I'm going to drizzle the rest. And that little one does not want to stay on. I'm going to have to come up with some kind of system to make sure I get the same top with the same bottom. But I know I won't make this all the time. Just like special holidays or something. That's what makes it even more special. And just make sure it's even. And I like this bread only because it's thicker and it can tolerate all of this and it won't get all soggy. I haven't tried the other kind. It may not, but just in case if it does. Then now guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes, and then it'll be all ready. So let me go ahead and do that because Josiah is waiting for his sausage biscuits. And now guys, it's all done. It is buttery and gooey. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Happy New Year, guys. Bye bye.